हम लोग कोचिंग जा रहे हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू कोचिंग। वी आर गोइंग टू कोचिंग। मैं अपने घर पर हूँ। आई एम इन माई हाउस। आई एम इन माई हाउस। क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? मे आई कम इन? मे आई कम इन? तुम खड़े क्यों हो? वाई आर यू स्टैंडिंग? वाई आर यू स्टैंडिंग? मैं क्लास में बैठा हूँ। आई एम सिटिंग इन द क्लास। आई एम सिटिंग इन द क्लास। आज छुट्टी है। टुडे इज हॉलीडे। टुडे इज हॉलीडे। क्या कहा तुमने? What did you say? What did you say? वह सोया हुआ था। He was asleep. He was asleep. मेरे पास नकद रुपया नहीं है। I don't have any cash. I don't have any cash. तुम कायर हो। You are coward. You are coward. इसमें रोने की क्या बात है? What's there to cry? What's there to cry? एक बात बोलूं? Do I say one thing? Do I say one thing? मैं पक्का आऊंगा। I will come for sure. I will come for sure. आज वर्षा हो सकती है। It may rain today. It may rain today. अपनी आदतें सुधारो। Mend your ways. Mend your ways. मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ। I am asking you something. I am asking you something. मामला बिगड़ गया है। The matter has become serious. The matter has become serious. यह केवल तुम्हारा भ्रम है। It is just your illusion. It is just your illusion. इसमें शर्माने वाली क्या बात है? What's there to say? What's there to say? आप मुझे गलत समझ रहे हैं। You are taking me wrong. You are taking me wrong. क्या मैं वजह जान सकता हूँ? May I know the reason? May I know the reason? इसलिए तो मैंने उसे पीटा। That's why I beat him. That's why I beat him. इसलिए तो मैं जा रहा हूँ। That's why I'm going. That's why I'm going. वह कोई एरा गेरा नहीं है। He is not Dick and Harry. He is not Dick and Harry. आज के बाद ऐसा नहीं होगा। As of now, it will not happen. As of now, it will not happen. क्या कोई खास बात है? Is there anything special? Is there anything special? कोई खास बात नहीं है। There is nothing special. There is nothing special. उसे क्या पसंद है? What does she like? What does she like? मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था। I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. मैं तुम्हारी तरफ हूँ। I am on your side. I am on your side. उल्टे जवाब मत दो। Don't talk back. Don't talk back. चाय को गर्म कर दो। Heat up the tea. Heat up the tea. वह घर पर हो सकता है। He could be at home. He could be at home. कुछ भी हो सकता है। Anything could happen. Anything could happen. मैं उसे नहीं छोड़ूंगा। I will not spare him. I will not spare him. इसकी कितनी कीमत है? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? अपने नाखून मत चबाओ. Don't bite your nail. Don't bite your nails. वह देखने में कैसा था? How did he look alike? How did he look alike? तुम्हारी बातों में दम है. Your words have weight. Your words have weight. वह बड़ा नेक दिल है. He is highly good-natured. He is highly good-natured. वह गिरते गिरते बच गया. He narrowly escaped falling. He narrowly escaped falling. तुम इससे बच नहीं सकते. You can't escape from this. You can't escape from this. उसे पूछने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. There is no use to ask him. There is no use to ask him. अब बात को ज्यादा बढ़ाओ मत. Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further. क्या तुम कभी मुंबई गए हो? Have you ever been to Mumbai? Have you ever been to Mumbai? जो हो गया सो हो गया. Let bygones be bygones. Let bygones be bygones. बिल्कुल चिंता मत करो. Don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. कितना बकवास है. How ridiculous. How ridiculous. अब क्या करना है? What to do next? What to do next? वो प्रशंसा के लायक है. He is praiseworthy. He is praiseworthy. आपकी यात्रा मंगलमय हो. Have a nice journey. Have a nice journey. मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. I don't want this. I don't want this. मैं पक्का नहीं कह सकता. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. मैंने उसे बोल दिया है. I have told him. I have told him. कितने मतलबी हो आप. How selfish you are. How selfish you are. क्या हुआ तुम्हें? What happened to you? What happened to you? किसी का दिल मत दुखाओ. Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone. अब सोने का समय हो गया. It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. ज्यादा देर तक जागना मत. Don't stay up too late. Don't stay up too late. कल रात मुझे एक सपना आया. I had a dream last night. I had a dream last night. मैं सारी रात सो नहीं सका. I couldn't sleep all night. I couldn't sleep all night. क्या तुम्हें अच्छी नींद आई? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? एक और दिखाओ. Show me another. Show me another. अपना हुनर दिखाओ. Show your talent. Show your talent. मेरा पीछा मत करो. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. मैं भीग चुका हूँ. I have drenched. I have drenched. वो उच्चार सुनता है. He is hard of hearing. He is hard of hearing. मुझे कम दिखाई देता है. I am short of sight. I am short of sight. तुम मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़े हो? Why are you after me? Why are you after me? मैं और खुश नहीं हो सकता. I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier. आप मजाक तो नहीं कर रहे? Are you serious? Are you serious? क्या आप मेरी टांग खींच रहे हैं? Are you pulling my leg? Are you pulling my leg? मैं नहीं मान सकता। I can't believe this. I can't believe this. मैं ऊब गया हूँ। I am bored. I am bored. यह अच्छी बात है। It's a good thing. It's a good thing. यह हमारे संबंध नहीं बिगाड़ेगा। This won't spoil our relation. This won't spoil our relation. मनमुटाव को खत्म करो। Let's bury the hatchet. Let's bury the hatchet. मेरे लिए यह बहुत ही बड़ा दिन है। It's a great day for me. It's a great day for me. आज मेरी खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं है। I am on the zenith today. I am on the zenith today. मुझे अचरज हो रहा है। I am feeling amazing. I am feeling amazing. मुझे कुछ बदलाव की जरूरत है। I need a change. I need a change. यह कब खत्म होगा? When will this get over? When will this get over? यह असहनीय होता जा रहा है। It's getting overbearing. It's getting overbearing. मैं और नहीं संभाल सकता। I can't handle more. I can't handle more. मुझे याद नहीं है। I don't remember. I don't remember. तुम भुलक्कड़ हो गए हो। You have become forgetful. You have become forgetful. कृपया अपने आप लीजिए। Please help yourself. Please help yourself. वो एक कुख्यात व्यक्ति है। He is a notorious person. He is a notorious person. रोड रिपेयरिंग की वजह से बंद है। The road is closed for repairs. The road is closed for repairs. यह एक अफवाह है। This is a rumor. This is a rumor. तुम जान लगाकर चिल्ला रहे थे। You were shouting so loud. You were shouting so loud. जूस को हल्के हल्के पियो। Sip the juice slowly. Sip the juice slowly. घाव से खून निकल रहा है। The blood is oozing from the wound. The blood is oozing from the wound. इसमें मेरा काम चल जाएगा। It will serve my purpose. It will serve my purpose. कल मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया। I had an accident yesterday. I had an accident yesterday. तुम अपनी उम्र से कम लगते हो। You look younger than your age. You look younger than your age. हमें आपा नहीं खोना चाहिए। We shouldn't lose our temper. We shouldn't lose our temper. ये बड़प्पन की बात है। It is a matter of kindness. It is a matter of kindness. मुझे तो बल्कि खुशी होगी। It will rather please me. It will rather please me. हमारे पास बहुत समय है। We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time. मेरे कोट को पहन के रखो। Try my coat on. Try my coat on. मेहमानों की खातिरदारी करो। Look after the guests. Look after the guests. कैसे आना हुआ? What brings you here? What brings you here? मैं जुबान का पक्का हूँ। I am a person of words. I am a person of words. मैं बहुत खर्च करता हूँ। I spend a lot. I spend a lot. ये एक अच्छा बहाना है। This is a good excuse. This is a good excuse. तुम मेरे हमनाम हो। You are my namesake. You are my namesake. वो सारे दिन खाली था. He was free all the time. He was free all the time. मैं अपने मन की करता हूँ. I have my own ways. I have my own ways. मेरे हाथ में दर्द था. My hand was paining. My hand was paining. हमने उसे बाहर भिजवाया. We made him go out. We made him go out. तुमने मुझसे झूठ बुलवाया. You made me tell a lie. You made me tell a lie. उसने हमें कोक पिलाई. He got us coke. He got us coke. तुमने मुझे कंप्यूटर सिखाया. You made me learn computer. You made me learn computer. मैं ये काम कैसे करवा सकता हूँ? How can I get this work done? How can I get this work done? आपने मुझे बुलाया. Have you called me? Have you called me? क्या मैंने तुम्हारा पक्ष नहीं लिया? Did I not favor you? Did I not favor you? हम हर रोज नई चीज सीखते हैं. We learn new things every day. We learn new things every day. तुम एकदम ठीक बोल रहे हो. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. आप इसको एक तरफ रखो. Please keep it aside. Please keep it aside. मुझे अक्सर वहाँ जाना होता है. I have to often go there. I have to often go there. मैं आपके साथ डांस करना चाहूँगा. I would like to dance with you. I would like to dance with you. राम मुझे पानी दिला सकता है. Ram can get me water. Ram can get me water. मैं तुम्हें पास करवा सकता हूँ. I can get you pass. I can get you pass. मैं तुमसे नहीं खरीदवा सकता. I can't make you purchase. I can't make you purchase. तुम्हें ये करवाना पड़ेगा. You will have to get it done. You will have to get it done. वो मुझे अच्छा खाना खिलाता है. He gets me good food. He gets me good food. मैं तुम्हें समझा नहीं सकता. I can't make you understand. I can't make you understand. मैंने तुमसे बाल्टी भरवाई. I made you fill the bucket. I made you fill the bucket. मैं उसे धोखा नहीं दे सकता. I can't cheat her. I can't cheat her. हम टैक्सी कर लेंगे. We will hire a taxi. We will hire a taxi. मुझे गहरे रंग का फ्रेम चाहिए. I need a darker frame. I need a darker frame. अगला स्टेशन देहरादून है. The next station is देहरादून. The next station is देहरादून. दोनों एक दूसरे के बहुत करीबी है. Both are close to each other. Both are close to each other. मैं अगले महीने शिमला जाऊंगा. I will go Shimla next month. I will go Shimla next month. कुछ खाने के लिए ले लो. Get something to eat. Get something to eat. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. It is beyond my capacity. It is beyond my capacity. तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go? आजकल स्वार्थ का जमाना है. Selfishness is common these days. Selfishness is common these days. सामान को बगल में रखो. Keep the luggage beside. Keep the luggage beside. उसने मुझे साफ मना कर दिया. He gave me a flat refusal. He gave me a flat refusal. प्रतीक्षा गृह में चलते हैं. Let's go to the waiting room. Let's go to the waiting room. आपने मेरे मन की बात कह दी. You spoke out my mind. You spoke out my mind. तुमने सारा खेल बिगाड़ दिया. You spoiled the whole game. You spoiled the whole game. ट्रेन पर चढ़ो. Get in the train. Get in the train. दिवाली खुशी से मनाई गई. Diwali was celebrated with joy. Diwali was celebrated with joy. तुम सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचते हो. You are only thinking about yourself. You are only thinking about yourself. मेरी कोशिश जारी है. My attempts are on. My attempts are on. हम आपको नोटिस देने आए थे. We had come to give you a notice. We had come to give you a notice. तुमने मुझे आज तक बताया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you tell me till today? Why didn't you tell me till today? कॉफी का कितना हुआ? How much for the coffee? How much for the coffee? हाथ छोड़ो उसका. Leave her hand. Leave her hand. कितना गहरा होगा यह? How deep would it be? How deep would it be? तुम्हारा बिस्तर ऊपर लगा दिया है. Your bed has been made upstairs. Your bed has been made upstairs. हमारे पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. We do not have any other option. We do not have any other option. वही मैं सोच रहा था. This is what I was thinking. This is what I was thinking. मैंने तुम्हें कहीं देखा है. I have seen you somewhere. I have seen you somewhere. सुनो, तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे थे? Listen, what were you searching for? Listen, what were you searching for? मैं तुझे 3 सालों से जानता हूँ. I have known you for 3 years. I have known you for 3 years. जाकर आइसक्रीम लेकर आ. You go and bring the ice cream. You go and bring the ice cream. मैं तुमसे कोई वादा नहीं कर सकता. I can't promise you anything more. I can't promise you anything more. वह किसी से बात नहीं कर रहा है. He is not talking to anyone. He is not talking to anyone. तुम क्यों लड़ रहे हो? What are you fighting for? What are you fighting for? मैं तेरे लिए पानी लेकर आता हूँ. I will get a water for you. I will get a water for you. अपना दिमाग ज्यादा इस्तेमाल मत करो. Don't use your brains too much. Don't use your brains too much. उसे अब तक आ जाना चाहिए था. He should have come by now. He should have come by now. कहाँ खोए हुए हो? Where are you lost? Where are you lost? तुम अभी भी उससे गुस्सा हो. You are still angry with him. You are still angry with him. कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. There was no option. There was no option. तुम्हारे पास क्या सबूत है? What evidence do you have? What evidence do you have? हमें पुलिस का लफड़ा नहीं चाहिए. We don't want any police mess. We don't want any police mess. अब मिल गया तुम्हें चैन? Are you satisfied now? Are you satisfied now? बात पैसों की नहीं है. It's not about money. It's not about money. मैं जल्द ही वापस आऊंगा. I will return soon. I will return soon. अगर आप चाहे तो यहाँ रह सकते हैं। You can stay here if you like. You can stay here if you like. तुम पूरी की पूरी बोतल पी गए। You drank one whole bottle. You drank one whole bottle. मुझे लगा वह तुम्हारे साथ है। I thought he was with you. Thought he was with you. बोलो कौन जीतेगा? Speak up. Who is going to win? Speak up. Who is going to win? मैं तुझे जिंदा दफना दूंगा। I will bury you alive. I will bury you alive. जानते हो कौन हूँ मैं? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? तू दरवाजा क्यों नहीं खोल रहा है? Why are you not opening the door? Why are you not opening the door? बेफालतू में हमें परेशान मत करो। Don't trouble us unnecessarily. Don't trouble us unnecessarily. मैंने तुमसे वादा किया था। I had promised you. I had promised you. आगे कुछ मत कहना। Don't say anything further. Don't say anything further. मुद्दे की बात पर आते हैं। Let's come to the point. Let's come to the point. मेरी हालत बदतर होती जा रही है। My condition is getting worse. My condition is getting worse. मेरे रास्ते से हटो। Get out of my way. Get out of my way. शर्म नहीं आती तुम्हें? Don't you have any shame? Don't you have any shame? मैं आपको कुछ नहीं होने दूंगा। I won't let anything happen to you. I won't let anything happen to you. यह कैसे हो सकता है? How is that possible? How is that possible? हम कब मिल सकते हैं? When can we meet? When can we meet? बाकी सब तुम पर है। The rest is up to you. The rest is up to you. आओ मैं तुम्हें छोड़ दूँ। Come, I will drop you. Come, I will drop you. बताओ मुझे कब मिले। Tell me when to meet. Tell me when to meet. आज तुम इतना जल्दी उठ गए। Today you woke up so early. Today you woke up so early. कोई नहीं है। There is no one else. There is no one else.